Good day, everyone. This is Hurobo Bible Reading Platform. Today I'm reading Matthew chapter 12, verse 33 to 37 in Hurobo language. Obi Matthew Uyomi Royin Ikwive Owo Royin Ogbagbera Rite Ogbagbegre Owo Ogbagbera Ru Ure Yomi Rere Emamo Royin Were Iye gberu ure na miomi rere emamo royin miomi kidie emamo re ure oyin ewo vuge owo ogbagbeni onwa owiere eredekona reva brabra miomiowina sawota otare esiri kidie obore okworori ve evu oyin otavia ve unuroyin owo ogbagbenyori okwo esiri wene emu esiri rowori owoke ikwo okwo obrabra wene emu obrabra rowori oyin ojiwoke ikwore owo ogbagbesa metake owane omotare ode re owa tare ejobi ewogun ejore owa owo ogbagbegre otare wotare ewobro oriakwewe oyin ejiwo bru kewe wekobiru